Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am here with a new question, which is 8 raised to the power x plus y whole square divided by 8 raised to the power x minus y whole square, which is equal to 64. And we have to find the product of x, y. So to find the product of x, y, we will simplify this given equation. So here we have same basis, so we will apply this exponential rule here, which is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n, which is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So above equation will become 8 raised to the power m means x plus y whole square minus n means x minus y whole square, and it is equal to 64. So this equation will become 8 raised to the power, as we know that a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will apply this formula here: x square plus y square plus 2xy minus, it will become x square plus y square minus 2xy, and it is equal to 64. So above equation will become x square plus y square plus 2xy minus into plus minus x square minus into plus minus y square minus minus will become plus 2xy. So positive x square and negative x square will be cancelled out. Similarly, y square and y square will be cancelled out, and it equation will be equal to 64. So it will become 8 raised to the power 2xy plus 2xy 4xy, which is equal to 64. Now we can write 64 as 8 raised to the power 2. Now you can see here we have same basis, so if we will compare both sides, so it will become 4xy is equal to 2. And we have to find the value of xy, so we will remove 4 from here, so we will divide both sides by 4. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled out, and it will become xy, which is equal to 2 1 times 2 to 2 times 4. So it will become xy is equal to 1 divided by 2. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.